LS1169, Grace Lee, 37 years old, married, high school, with 2 years experience in Malaysia and 2 years experience in Middle East as a domestic helper.
Good day, sir. Madam, I'm Grace Lee Antipolo, 37 years old, married. I have 2 children, 14 years old and 6 years old. I have 14 experience in Malaysia and Saudi.
Okay, Grace Lee, how many children do you have?
I have 2 children, 14 years old and 6 years old.
Okay, so you have experience before as a domestic helper in Malaysia.
Yes, ma'am.
When was that?
In Malaysia, 2012 to 2014. I
Oh.
finished my contract.
You finished your contract.
Yes.
Okay, so how many family members were you serving in Malaysia?
Got 2 couples and 2 children. The children is 2 years old and the newborn baby is 5 months old.
So what are your main duties?
I taking care of children.
What about the newborn baby?
I take care of the newborn baby also.
I see. So how old again is the newborn baby?
5 months old.
5 months old. So
Since
what about during night? The baby sleeps with you or with the mother?
the baby sleep with the mother.
With the mother. Okay. So how many housemaid were you in the household?
Got two maids for the cooking and for the take good care of the children.
Okay. So and is your madam working or
Yes,
staying?
ma'am.
Working. And what about in Middle East?
I take in the Saudi. I do this and I take good care of 3 years old boy.
3 years old boy. So aside from taking care of 3-year-old boy, what other duties do you have?
I clean the house when the baby is asleep. I clean the house. I do all the.
What about your cooking skills? Are you good in cooking? Do you do cooking?
I can cook. Yes, ma'am. I can cook. When the baby sleep, I can cook the baby food.
You know Chinese cooking?
Yes, ma'am. But I'm willing to learn more the Chinese cooking.
So can you mention what Chinese food can you cook?
I can cook the chicken soup, ma'am.
What else?
The sotanghon soup, ma'am.
Okay. Are you good in cooking Filipino food?
Yes, ma'am. I so many experience to cook Filipino food, ma'am.
Okay. So what about pets? Are you not afraid of taking care of pets like
I'm not
dogs?
afraid to take care of pets.
Do you have pets at home?
Yes, ma'am. I have a pet in the.
Okay. What about elderly? Can you take care of elderly?
Yes, ma'am. I can take care of the elderly.
Do you have experience taking care of elderly?
Yes, ma'am. Especially my own children.
No, I mean elderly.
Yes, ma'am.
Old
Because
person.
yes,
Old person.
I'm willing to learn to take care of the elderly, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have song for children?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing?
I love you, you love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss for me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Okay. So, most employers in Hong Kong have newborn baby. Do you want to accept taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, because I love the baby.
Okay. And with children, are you
Yes.
willing to accept?
Yes, ma'am, because I
Okay.
love the children.
Okay. So, anytime you are ready to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, are you physically fit?
Yes, ma'am. It's really to fit to go more work in Hong Kong.
Okay. And if ever your employer wants you to work more years in Hong Kong, are you willing to extend your contract?
Yes, ma'am. If my employer wants me to work or extend my contract, I'm willing to work many more in Hong Kong.
So, if ever, have you experienced that during your employment in abroad, have you experienced that your children got sick? Did you send financial assistance or did you went home?
I called to my family and to send the money to support my family only.
Okay, so you will not go home.
No, I will not go home.
Okay, good. So, if you are given a chance to work in Hong Kong, what assurance can you give to your future employer?
I assure and I promise to my employers to finish my contract, hardworking, and to follow the rules and regulations to my employers.
Okay, Grace Lee, thank you and good luck.
Thank you very much, ma'am.